Hello, welcome back. Guys, in the last video, we had set up this upcoming retreat block on the front page. Now in this video, we will create a single post for this retreat. For this, let us go to the single-retreat.php file that we have created in the last video. Let us test this whether it is working or not. To test this, just we will write a message. This is single retreat.php. Saving, and now let us click on the title. Okay, nothing else other than this message you can see. This means that it is working fine. We are landing on this single post page of this retreat. Coming back, let us start coding. First of all, let us set up our header and footer. So open PHP tag, get header, similarly get footer. Now we'll open a div tag, div class equals to. Here also we will use grid and column 940 because this is a single post. We want this post to be a full width. So we will use grid and call -940 class of responsive theme. Also we will add our custom class which will target only single retreat.php styling for single retreat.php. As of now, here I'll create a class to target a title format a title. So single dash title. Okay. Closing div tag. We'll remove this single and we'll create another div inside this main container. Div class single title. And we'll wrap title inside h1 tag retreat. Okay. Now what we will do, sorry, one more thing we need to do is we'll add horizontal line after the title. Okay. Now we'll write WordPress loop. Open PHP tag, if have posts. while have posts the post. Now we'll create one div. Now we want to display image at the top, so we'll create one div, and inside that div we'll write a PHP tag. We'll open a PHP tag, open PHP. Okay, now when we had created custom fields for retreat, we had created featured underscore image custom field, so we will use that. But since we have stored URL of this image, we will first we will write this URL inside image tag. So imgsrc equals to sorry open a PHP tag inside this, and now we will write the field into bracket featured underscore image. Now we'll save this. And now we will close this loop. For this, open PHP tag, and while and if. Let us save this. Okay, now we'll go to the front end of the site and we'll refresh this page. Now we want to display title, so we'll wrap it inside h3 tags. Okay, here we'll now open a PHP tag, the title. Next we want description, so we'll open a PHP tag sorry and since it is the custom field that we have created, retreat underscore description, retreat the field into parenthesis retreat underscore description. Okay, and now we'll put horizontal rule rule below that. Okay, So here now we have to write CSS for this retreat image. First of all, we will save this. And go to our CSS. We just want to put it in the center. So just one CSS rule we will write. That's it. And we'll save it. Now we will refresh this page. Okay. So now let us refresh our browser. See. This is the title retreat, horizontal line, image, post title and post content over here. Now one more thing last we have to do is, as you can see here, I have given navigation buttons to navigate to next and previous post. So let us do that now. Okay, now what I will do finally, I'll add one piece of code over here. Please note that I am removing this Font Awesome classes because I have not installed Font Awesome plugin. So as of now, I am writing left and right. Okay, this is to navigate to the left and right, previous and sorry, what I'll write, previous, next post. So let us save this. Now we'll go to the front end and refresh and see how it looks. Okay, now this is the retreat single post page. Here you can see the next link. Clicking on this will take you to the next post. Previous, clicking that, it will take you to the previous post. One thing I forgot to tell you, that when we create a custom template for any static page, at the top we mention comment like template blah 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 and this. Here we don't need to do that, because if we refer hierarchy, WordPress template hierarchy, to display a single post, by default WordPress looks for single.php. In the same way, to display a single post of any custom post type, it looks for single dash slug.php. So here it is like single dash retreat.php. So by default it looks for single retreat.php. So that is the reason. Suppose again we go to the home page and we click on this link, it will take us to yoga for beginners page, single post page, which is single retreat.php. Let me show you one more thing. So when we refresh this single post page, we can see it displays this message. That means we are on the file single retreat.php. Now we'll remove this and finally save this. Guys, that's all for this video. I'll continue in the next video for remaining custom post types. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thanks for watching.